This recipe yields 8 servings. You can easily halve this recipe for 4 servings. Core and peel your apples, then cut them into chunks, placing them in a bowl. Add your lemon juice to the apples and stir well. Stir again, and then add your cornstarch and stir well. Then add the vanilla, salt, nutmeg and cinnamon, butter, and maple syrup or honey. I actually use a combination of maple syrup and honey. Stir this well. And then add this to your crock pot. Cover and cook at high temperature for 2 hours. At the halfway point, you'll want to stir it. After 2 hours, it should be easy to slice through your apples. Then spoon this into individual servings and top with whipped cream or ice cream. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more easy and delicious gluten-free recipes.